Namaste, welcome to Gita. Enjoy this steaming hot oats and Palak Khichdi, which is of the perfect consistency with the addition of some vegetables too, and the flavor of Pudina also in it, with some papad, achar and raita. Here I have taken half a cup of split green moong. First we will just dry roast this a little bit. We will take it out in a bowl and wash it and bring it back. Our moong is washed and ready. Don't remove the peel which comes away in the washing. Just throw away the water, put the peel back in it. That adds a lot of fiber. Now take 1 cup of oats and dry roast this also. Dry roast it just for a minute or two. Dry roast it on a low flame only. Now I am getting a good aroma. I will switch it off and add it to this roasted and washed moong. Now boil some water in a pan and add 1 cup of freshly chopped palak leaves to this. Just blanch it for a minute in the hot water. Then quickly drain it out and put it into a bowl of cold water. See, I have added some ice cubes to the water. So this way it retains the lovely green color of the palak. So in my pressure cooker, I am taking 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add a spoon of oil to this. Next, add a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. When the jeera is well fried, I am adding a cup of finely chopped onion to this. When the onions change color, 1 very small red tomato I have chopped finely. Add that also. Add some turmeric powder. This is Kashmiri Chilli powder. And salt. Fry the masalas well. You can add whatever vegetables you have. Today I am adding 1 small carrot finely chopped and also 1 potato finely chopped, small one. Stir fry the vegetables also well along with all the masalas. Now add in about 5 cups of water. We are making a khichdi and we want it to be a little flowing in consistency. And let it all come to a boil. When it begins to boil, now we will add in our oats and moong, that is the split green moong to this. Give it a good mix and allow it to come to a boil once again. Now it is beginning to boil well once again. Now cover the cooker and over a medium flame we will just cook it for 1 whistle and switch it off. Meanwhile, drain out the palak from the water and add it to your blender jar. Along with it I am adding some fresh Pudina or mint leaves, about 1 teaspoon of mint leaves, 2 green chillis and a small piece of ginger. We will grind all this into a paste with the addition of a little water. Now let's open the cooker and have a look. See, the oats and moong have all cooked very well along with the vegetables. We have blended the palak along with Pudina, green chilli, ginger. Now we will add that blend to this oat. I am also adding some more water as we would like a little more flowing consistency. Khichdi is eaten in slightly flowing consistency. Of course, it is a personal choice. I am again switching on the gas and we will just allow it all to blend together so that it absorbs all the flavors and cook it for a few minutes more. See, our oats khichdi has again come to a boil. and now it is of the perfect consistency with the goodness of green moong, palak and all vegetable carrot, Pudina, everything very flavorful too. Now I will switch this off. Now for the final touch, just add 1 tablespoon of ghee. When the ghee is hot, add some jeera, allow it to fry well in the ghee. If you are a person who likes garlic, just roughly crush 5 or 6 cloves of garlic and you can fry that also in the ghee. It adds a good flavor to the khichdi. For those of you who don't eat garlic, just omit the garlic and go ahead with the rest of the recipe. Also I am adding a little bit of asafoetida, that is hing, 1 dry red chilli. When the garlic gets a lovely reddish brown color, I am just adding half a teaspoon of this Kashmiri Chilli powder to this ghee. Now we will switch it off and pour this flavorful tadka on top of your khichdi. A really healthy, flavorful palak, oats and vegetable khichdi ready for you. I have dry roasted a few papads to go with the khichdi, and here I have made a raita, that is homemade curd. I have beaten it well, added a little salt and finely chopped cucumber, coriander leaves. Just add about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder. It adds an awesome flavor to your raita, and just a sprinkle of chili powder. So your very healthy, nutritious vegetable palak oats khichdi with the goodness of cucumber raita, very cooling for the summer, and some roasted papad. So now we are ready to serve out our steaming hot, absolutely delicious palak and oats khichdi. And just drizzle some ghee on top of your khichdi. This oats palak khichdi is very tasty, very healthy too, and it is suitable for people of all ages. You can give it to children, working people who don't have much time. Just make it as a simple one-pot meal, bachelors, and especially for senior citizens too. It is easily digestible, light on the stomach, quick to make. Have it for breakfast, lunch or dinner. At any time you can enjoy this. It doesn't need too many exotic ingredients, simple ingredients, easily available at home. Something which is filling, healthy and tasty. As I said earlier, if you are a person who wants to avoid garlic, just omit the garlic, continue with the rest of the recipe. That will still be quite flavorful too. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.